So again, I've got an example here of a flow that I'd already built. Very straightforward. All we're doing here is just on the accounts object, when a record is created or updated, we're going to be verifying, in this case, the billing address. Now, what we were talking about earlier with the address status is that is a critical point to tell us whether we want to verify that address. So on this requirement here, on the entry conditions, we're actually going to be checking that billing address status to make sure that it is not checked. And if it is not checked, we can then move on through our flow. And in this instance, we've got premise level address verification, and that's just an Apex action that we have built into the package. And as a result of that, when we actually go into a record, so I've got one here already, I have already verified it, but using some practice that we've spoken about, if I make a change to the address, I'm going to reset that address status, which we can see down here is now not checked. And we can save this. And this is all now going to go on in the background. We've made a call, we've invoked that we want to verify this address. And on this record specifically, I'm also copying the billing address to the shipping address. So best practice there is to make sure that this address status is also copied across. Now, if Salesforce is feeling good to us, we've made a call, and fingers crossed, this is now a verified address. And there we go. As we can see there, only took a moment, and we've refreshed the page and we've now got a verified address. We can now run a report on this data and make sure that when we're ready to go, we're going to have a verified address to deal with.